Hello students, today we will discuss next topic, that is altitudes of a triangle, and we have already discussed the medians of a triangle, and next we will discuss about altitudes of a triangle. What is the altitude of a triangle? A line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. A line segment that is drawn from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side so that it is perpendicular to the opposite side. If there is a triangle and this is a vertex and its opposite side is this, and we will draw a line segment from this vertex to its opposite side like this, and it is perpendicular to the opposite side, and it will be perpendicular on this side. Perpendicular means it will make 90-degree angle on this side, and it is called altitude of a triangle. Altitude always make 90-degree angle, that is it is always perpendicular to the opposite side. This is the meaning of altitude. In the given triangle PQR, here PQR is a triangle, P is a vertex and its opposite side is QR, and there is a line segment PX that make 90-degree angle, that means it is perpendicular on QR. So PX is known as altitude of triangle PQR. Like medians, there are three medians in a triangle. Similarly, a triangle always has three altitudes because there are three vertices, so each triangle will have three altitudes. In this given figure, triangle PQR is there and there are three medians. There are three altitudes. Here we are discussing about altitudes. First is PX, second is QZ, and third is RY. These are the altitudes of triangle PQR. And altitude is the shortest distance from a vertex to its opposite side. It is always the shortest distance, that is height of triangle. Altitude of a triangle means height of a triangle. Both are same things, height and altitude of triangle are same things. And like median always lie inside the triangle, but it is not true for altitudes of triangle. Altitude can lie inside a triangle, on a triangle, or outside the triangle. So we will look at the positions of altitudes in different types of triangles. Its position is different in different types of triangles. First of all, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle is that triangle in which all angles are acute. That means all angles are less than 90 degree. Here PQR is an acute angled triangle and its altitudes always lie inside the triangle. Here PX, QZ and RY are the altitudes, and these are inside the triangle. Next is right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, two altitudes lie on the triangle. Its two altitudes will lie on the triangle because in a right angled triangle there is a right angle, that means 90-degree angle. So this is a height, AB is a height, and similarly BC is also a height. So its two altitudes lie on the triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle is that in which one angle should be greater than 90 degree. One angle should be obtuse angle. So in this case, one or more altitudes of the triangle meet an extended base outside the triangle. In this type of triangle, obtuse angle triangle, the one or more altitudes of a triangle meet an extended base. We have to extend the line. For example, ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, and to form the altitude from point A on BC, we have to produce BC. We have to produce BC, and then we will draw its altitude. Its altitude is AL, and we have extended BC up to L. So its altitude lies outside the triangle. So its altitude lies outside the triangle. Similarly, if we have to draw the altitude from point B, that is from vertex B, it will be inside the triangle. And when we draw altitude from vertex C, then it will again outside the triangle. So two altitudes of obtuse angle triangle lie outside the triangle, and one is inside the triangle. Next is orthocenter of a triangle. Orthocenter is that point where the three altitudes of a triangle intersect. That point is known as orthocenter of the triangle, and it may or may not lie inside the triangle. It may lie inside the triangle or outside the triangle or on the triangle. In the first diagram, first figure, acute angle triangle is there, and here altitudes will meet inside the triangle. In this, all the altitudes are lie inside the triangle, so its point of intersection, that is orthocenter, will also be inside the triangle. G is the point of intersection, that means G is orthocenter. In the next figure, it is a right angle triangle, and its orthocenter will lie on the triangle. Here this point is the orthocenter, that means point B is the orthocenter, because AB is the altitude, and second altitude is CB, and third is this altitude. These are meeting at point, that is these are intersecting at point B. So this point is orthocenter of a triangle, and it lie on the triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, and its orthocenter lies outside the triangle. This is its orthocenter, that is formed by extending the sides of the triangle. So in obtuse angle triangle, altitude always lie outside the triangle. Next are the points to remember, that there are 3 points. First is in an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle whose two sides are equal. Two sides are equal and one is unequal. In an isosceles triangle, the altitude drawn on unequal side from opposite vertex is also called its median. For example, if ABC is an isosceles triangle, then AB and AC, these are equal sides, and unequal side is BC. And if we draw an altitude from vertex A on BC, that is AL is drawn, and it is also known as its median. So in an isosceles triangle, median and altitude, these are same things if it is made on unequal side. And next point is, in an isosceles triangle, the median drawn on unequal side from the opposite vertex is also its altitude. This is the opposite point of first point. We can also call it median or altitude. Next is, in an equilateral triangle, all the altitudes are medians and vice versa. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal to each other, and all the altitudes are medians, and all medians are altitudes. These are same things. In an equilateral triangle, altitudes and median are the same things. And then you can easily do practice zone 2. Thank you.